Welcome to DIY Tech. Wi-Fi repeater not working properly. Wi-Fi extender acts as an intermediate or bridge between a Wi-Fi router and a Wi-Fi device that is outside the range of a Wi-Fi router's signal. Reason for connection failure between a Wi-Fi router and extender. Improper wireless settings. You should match the settings of the wireless extender to the Wi-Fi router configuration. Connection failure due to distance issues. Fix the respective wireless extenders with an appropriate distance of receiving the router signal. This is because more distance between devices leads to a poor connection between the devices. External interruptions. Sometimes, the Wi-Fi connection may be affected by external devices or external waves in your building. These interruptions may disturb the connection between the Wi-Fi router and the Wi-Fi extender. Forget the router name or SSID. Sometimes, Wi-Fi users may forget the SSID or name of the router. So, they cannot be able to connect the Wi-Fi extender to a Wi-Fi router. Forget the Wi-Fi password. The usage of the wrong password never permits your extender to connect to your Wi-Fi router. This will make you reconfigure your router and change the password settings. How to solve this problem? If your Wi-Fi extender cannot connect to the Wi-Fi router, then you need to reset your extender. The location of the reset button in the extender may vary depending on the brand. The reset button will present at the back of your extender, and press it for 10 seconds using a needle. Thanks for watching.